Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you can't start games or applications on your PlayStation 5. Now, the first thing you want to do is go up to the settings right here and scroll on down and go to users and accounts. Then drop on down to where it says others and then go over to restore licenses. Restore licenses you downloaded that you can't use. So go to this option and then select the games that you are having an issue with and then go to restore licenses in the bottom right side of the screen, and then you'll have to close your game. Now, this could take a little bit of time. It could maybe take 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how many games you actually have to download here. Now, you're just downloading the licenses. You don't have to download the entire game, so it shouldn't be that long of a wait. So once that completes, you could try going back to the game and see if that works. Now, there's another setting on here called console sharing and offline play. Just double check that you have this enabled. You could always try disabling it and then re-enabling it on here. But this allows you to share PlayStation Plus and your games with every other account on your PlayStation, as well as play offline if you ever get disconnected from the internet. So just go to where it says enable right here. Otherwise, you could try disabling it and then re-enabling it. Now, another thing that you should try is signing out of your PlayStation 5. And then logging back in. And you'll need your email address and password to log in. But sometimes there is an account sync issue. And when you sign out and sign back in, this syncs the account and your PlayStation back up to each other. Now, another thing that you might want to try is going down to System. And there could be a pending system update somewhere or a game update. So go to System Software, go to System Software Update and Settings. Then at the top, we can select this and we can go to update using internet. I actually had an update waiting and pending for me at one point, and I wasn't able to launch a game because of that reason. Now you can go over to the game too and check it. So you can press options on Minecraft and then go to check for update. And if you do have an update, press the PlayStation button and this update will be listed under here. So downloads. So if you do have an update under here and you're trying to start the game, it's not going to start the game if there's an update for it. Now, the last thing to try is rebuilding the database on your PlayStation. So go to Power and then go to Turn Off. You want to completely turn off your PlayStation 5, and we're going to launch this in the Safe Mode menus. Okay, so with your PlayStation completely turned off, plug in a USB cable to the front or the back of the PlayStation 5 and plug it into the controller. And we'll need this to operate the safe mode menu. Then hold down the power button and you should hear one beep initially, and then if you continue to hold it down, you'll hear a second beep. Then that's an indication you can let go. Just make sure your PlayStation is not in rest mode or anything else like that. And then I'm going to turn on my TV here. And if it is in rest mode, it's not going to launch into the safe mode, so it has to be completely turned off. And with your controller plugged in now, you can press the PlayStation button and we should be able to operate the safe mode menu. Go on down to where it says clear cache and rebuild database, and then go to option number 2, rebuild the database, and go to OK. Your PlayStation 5 is going to restart, and then it's going to bring you to a screen that gives you an estimated time of how long this is going to take. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.